welcome to our channel Gadget Grabs. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to get stickers in Monopoly Go. For that, simply you need to first of all download and install the Monopoly Go application on your device. You need to open the Monopoly Go application, and to get stickers on Monopoly Go, for that, let's see how we can get the stickers on Monopoly Go. Here on the top left of the screen, you can see that I am on just on the 0 level. That means I haven't progressed yet. Tap on wins on the bottom left corner. It says that to unlock this wins, you need to reach 35 levels. The first, what you need to do is you need to progress on this Monopoly Go to unlock various kind of features and to get stickers in the Monopoly Go. And the second way you can win the stickers in the Monopoly Go is simply you can play the tournaments. So tournaments are basically some events that you need to win. On the bottom right corner you can see the friends. Let's see the list of top player here. Tap on leaderboard on the third option and tap on global. Here you can see the top 3 players of the Monopoly Go. So to get stickers in the Monopoly Go, you just need to be on the top 3 on this Monopoly Go tournaments. So if you find this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.